Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? Today I am bringing you guys an empties video. It's been a little minute since I did my last empties video, but your girl wasn't using up that many products, surprisingly, because I was trying like so many different things and I was kind of just doing what I wanted and not really using things with the intention of finishing them, just kind of using them how I wanted to. But now that I'm back into my Project Use It Up mode, which if you guys haven't seen my Project Use It Up refresh, I will go ahead and link it in the cards up above. But now that I'm back in my Project Use It Up mode, I'm like finishing things left and right now. So like my next empties video is going to be crazy and massive. I already know. This empties, I don't even have like candles in this empties for real. Y'all know I usually have like 5 or 6 candles. This empties, I did not have a lot of candles, so yeah, this empties is kind of sad, but not really. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start with my first 3 wick candle I have here. This is Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow. I've told you guys time and time again, this is one of my absolute favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I feel like this is the perfect peach fragrance. They did this so right. It's velvet peach, vanilla meringue, creamy jasmine. So you definitely get that sweet peachy scent. It's like really fruity, and then you also get the vanilla meringue, which gives it this marshmallow feel to it, like a creamy marshmallow feel. And then the creamy jasmine, I feel like just adds just a hint of sophistication to the scent, but what you mainly get is that creamy marshmallow and the peach, which is a bomb combination. Perfection. Loved it in the candle, love it in the body care. It is literally so good. I went through another TheraBreath Fresh Breath oral rinse. I go through these pretty much every month, like all the time. So yeah, that's why it's in here. Y'all have seen that in damn near all of my empties videos here recently. So yeah, I went through my Vagisil pH Balance Daily Intimate Wash. I love this stuff and I swear by it. I know that it's not for everyone. Like a lot of women don't like to use soap down there, but this has never given me any problems at all. If anything, I think it does what it actually says and keep me pH balanced, and I don't have any odor or anything. I love this stuff. Swear by it. Always will have it. I went through my Love Cotton Candy Champagne Moisturizing Body Wash. I am still on a kick to finish my moisturizing body washes that I have. So I do have a couple in my shower right now. So you guys will always see these in my empties, just because the moisturizing body washes do have a tendency of turning. They're sort of like the body creams. They do have a tendency of going bad, especially when you have them in your shower. Like if they're in your shower surrounded by all the steam and everything every single day, the scent will start to change. And mine are not in my bathroom. They're on my shelf, but still, I just want to get through these and enjoy them. And I do really like the formula of these. They are really moisturizing and they lather a lot and they just feel really creamy and nice on the skin. So I do like them. I just want to use them. This is my Suave Mango Mandarin Pampering Body Wash. Love the Suave body washes. Cannot say enough good things about them. For them to be so cheap, they have so much fragrance. They lather so well. Really good products. Love them. They come in a ton of different scents, so there's literally so much to choose from. We'll always repurchase those like all the time. Then I have my Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel. I love this stuff to keep my skin nice and clear, to keep my pores minimized. Like this is just such a good toner to use. I use it day and night. So love this stuff. Have been using it for literal years. Here is my Desert Wildflower Fine Fragrance Mist. If you guys remember from my last Project Use It Up video, the one before the refresh, I actually had this in for the month of April, if I'm not mistaken. So this was the scent that I wanted to use for April to finish it off, and I definitely did. This was really nice. I mixed it in a lot with Iced Pear Margarita, which you guys can see is almost done as well. I just need to go ahead and finish that off. But Desert Wildflower was really nice. It was like a fresh floral scent, very pretty, had a little bit of sweetness to it. It was nice for like springtime. And then I also finished my Vanilla Swirl body lotion from Victoria's Secret Pink. This is Frosted Vanilla Sugar Crystals. Cut it open, got everything out of there. This smells so good. It's literally like another bare vanilla scent. Very creamy, very vanilla-y, almost marshmallow type scent. I used this for bed and it was like yummy, legit yummy. I also went through Velvet Sugar Fine Fragrance Mist. This was the last Velvet Sugar product I had. So now that it's gone, I have no more Velvet Sugar. It's been discontinued, but I'm okay with not having it. There's plenty of other scents that I have in my collection that can substitute out for this scent. So it's gone and I can't get it anymore, but that's okay. For hand soap, I have here the Feel in Love Sweet Sugar Sprinkles Gentle Foaming Hand Soap, and I had these around my house for like Valentine's Day and the start of spring. I love this one in my kitchen. I usually put my more opaque packaging hand soaps in my kitchen just for like the aesthetic. It just looks really good in my kitchen. So this one was Whipped Vanilla Confetti Sprinkles and Sugared Strawberries. What did this scent smell like? I can't put my finger on what this scent was, what it smelled like, but I know this smell like body care, like one of the body care lines that we have. It was a really nice soap. The next one I have is BU Bubbly Rose, and I actually had this one in my bathroom because I like the red packaging. This was really good. It smelled exactly like Bubbly Rose from the body care line, so it was a joy to use it on my hands. Smelled really good, and y'all know I love the gentle foaming hand soaps. The next thing I have here is my Strawberry Pound Cake Shower Gel. So again, this was also in my project Use It Up, and I really wanted to get through my oldest set of Strawberry Pound Cake because I do have a couple sets of this scent, and I just wanted to get through the oldest one. Strawberry Pound Cake is still a love for me. I enjoy this scent thoroughly. It's so good, so yummy. Fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, whipped cream. You cannot go wrong with this scent. It literally smells like fluffy whipped cake, strawberries, whipped cream. Yummy, so good. Okay, and then I have the Happy Easter Sweet Bunny Berry Fine Fragrance Mist in the mini. I wanted to use this for Easter, and I definitely did. I enjoyed this scent so much. It was like a candy jelly bean sweet sour scent. Perfect. Okay, I have here a Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. This is the conditioner that I swear by. It is so good for my hair. It gives me a lot of moisture, and it really helps for my curls to be more defined. But I have since started using my Aussie 3-Minute Moist. I used to use that like way back in the day, and I recently started back using that one, so I won't repurchase this, but I still highly recommend this deep conditioner. I just have went back to a oldie but a goodie. And then I have here my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Love this facial spray. I use it every single day. I swear by it. It is so good as just like a mist to put on my face before I put on my moisturizer and all of that. So after my serums and vitamin C and all of that stuff, I put that on my face, and then I go in with my moisturizer and I'm done with my skincare. I love it, swear by it, will always use it. This is the Pink Champagne Tree Hut Shade Sugar Scrub. Really enjoyed this scent. It was just a nice, pretty, kind of champagne-y, bubbly, sweet scent. So it went with a lot of my sweet, water is coming out of this. It went with a lot of my sweet and fruity fragrances that I use in the shower, so that was really good. My Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I know I used this up a couple of months ago. Like, that's how I know I haven't did an empties video in like 2 months, because I used this up a while ago. But I swore by this. I swore by this during the winter time. I loved on it so much. This was so hydrating, so good for my skin. It was so thick, so you only needed to use a little bit, which is why it took me a few months to go through this, because even using it every single day, I did not need to put a lot of this on my body. I think that this is so good, and I will definitely repurchase this during the winter time. I don't think I would use it in the summer though, maybe a little bit too heavy. Here's my Velvet Sugar body lotion that I used up with that Velvet Sugar spray. Like I said, that was my last set of Velvet Sugar, so I don't have anything else in this scent. I have a Warm Vanilla Sugar shower gel. I'm going through my Warm Vanilla Sugar body butter right now. Warm Vanilla Sugar is not a scent that I love. I just think it's so basic and so plain. It's just not anything that I love. You would think that this would be a lot more sweet than it is. This is more, I would say that this is more of like a grown-up, mature vanilla, but it's not what I want. Like, that's not what I want. I want more of like a gourmand, super sweet, marshmallow, sweet vanilla. Like, that's what I want, and Warm Vanilla Sugar is not that for me, so I probably would never repurchase Warm Vanilla Sugar. I'm done with the shower gel. Once I'm done with my body butter, I think that's the last thing in Warm Vanilla Sugar I have. I never bought the spray, so yeah, I would not repurchase it. I went through Coconut Mint Drop, and this was in my kitchen for sure, and this smells so good. This is White Coconut, Iced Peppermint, and Winter Musk. I did get tired of this scent though, and I would not repurchase Coconut Mint Drop in body care. Like, it's something about the coconut and the peppermint together that I don't vibe with. Like, I know I wouldn't want this in body care, but in the hand soap it was nice while I was using it. This is my big jar of Eco Styler gel. This is the coconut oil Eco Styler gel. I've told you guys in my favorites video that I recently did, I love Eco Styler gel. I always use it for my like slick bun looks. I don't use it for my wash and goes, but for pulling my hair back slick, I always use that. Next we have Snowflakes and Cashmere body butter. This was also in my project Use It Up. I wanted to get it finished. Love me some Snowflakes and Cashmere. It's just such a good scent, just such a classic, I feel like timeless scent. I feel like every winter I would want to use this scent. It's just so pretty, so feminine. Like, it goes for any occasion. You can definitely dress this scent up or down. It's perfect, so I loved it in the body butter. Then we have my Aromatherapy Eucalyptus and Spearmint Stress Relief Moisturizing Body Wash. Once again, going through all my moisturizing body washes, and I recently got into the aromatherapy line, but not, I'm not, okay, let me rephrase that. I'm not into the aromatherapy line, because don't get me wrong, I would not be purchasing aromatherapy products because I just don't, most of the scents I don't like. But the eucalyptus and spearmint, I think this really does a great job of helping you to wind down after a long day. If you have a headache, it really does help to like relax you. If you have like congestion and stuff like that, I think that this really does a good job of like opening up your senses and everything like that. But me like just going out and purchasing everything from the aromatherapy line, I don't think I will ever do that, because it's just like aromatherapy is not me. But this was amazing. Okay, and here's my strawberry pound cake fine fragrance mist that I finished off with that lotion. And I think I have, yep, I do. I have the well, the shower gel. This is the lotion. So I finished off this whole set. Like I said, this was the one from 2019, so my oldest strawberry pound cake set, and I finished it and I enjoyed every second of it. This is my Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Refreshing Gel Body Wash. Y'all know, if you watch my Project Use It Up refresh, this is currently, or it was in my project, and now it's gone. It was about halfway, like it was about right here when I started, so there wasn't much to go in this anyway. This was 10 fluid ounces of body wash, so a good size, a good amount, and I finished it, loved it. Bare Vanilla is just one of those go-to scents that I will always love. So the body wash was really nice. It sudsed a lot, felt really good, so I would repurchase these, but they come and go off the website so much I don't even know when I can repurchase it. So then I finished my Method Body Coconut Rice Milk Shea Butter Body Wash. I like the Method body washes. They don't lather as much as I like, but I like the fact that they are plant-based and they don't have any bad ingredients in them, so it's a really good brand to use. And this scent was really, really nice. I use this a lot with my Dove exfoliating body polish in crushed macadamia and rice milk. These two went together so perfectly for just like a really nice bedtime wind down type of scent. So good products, would definitely repurchase them. And I like the fact that this was more of a moderate scrub, because I don't like the light ones. Like from Dove, their moderate, I mean their light scrubs are trash. Like I feel like they don't do anything. So then I have another 3-wick candle. This is Married Maple Pancakes, and I had this in my kitchen. It was such a gourmand sweet scent. It smelled amazing. This was fresh berries, maple syrup, cinnamon, sugar. That's exactly what it smelled like. A really sweet berry gourmand fragrance. The candle did really well, burned all the way down, had no issues with it. I also finished off my Jergens Weightless Wet Skin Moisturizer. This is the argan oil and hyaluronic acid formula. I actually miss having my in-shower lotions. I haven't been using in-shower lotions here recently because I've been wanting to go through my body oils and stuff like that. So I don't know when I'm gonna repurchase my wet skin moisturizers or my in-shower lotions, but we'll see. I just got the in-shower lotion from Taraji P. Henson's body care line, so I will be trying that one out, but like I haven't had really any in-shower lotions in a minute. Here is my Snowflakes and Cashmere Fine Fragrance Mist. This had to go because this was so old. This was from 2016, I think. This is old as heck, so it had to go. I was using it when I was using the body butter. So here's my Ice Pear Margarita shower gel. I have another one of these shower gels. I need to go ahead and just use that with the fine fragrance mist and get it out of here, just because I don't know, this is a really good scent. It is really, really nice. It's Fiesta Pear, Baja Lemon, Mango Flower, Mayan Sugarcane, Mexican Sandalwood. So it's a really sweet, fresh pear margarita scent, but it's not super limey or salty or anything like that, but it is a really good fruity drink scent. So I do like that one. It would be perfect for spring and summer. Another hand soap, this is Snowy Peach Berry Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I really like this in the hand soap. I'm not a fan of this scent in the body care. I've said that before, but in the hand soap it's really good. Snow Kissed Cranberries, Frosted Peach Blossom, and Shimmering Wood. So it's basically like a peachy cranberry scent, and it's nice. It's fruity. It doesn't even smell like a winter type of scent, but I don't know, I just don't love it in the body care. Okay, so here's that Happy Easter Sweet Money Berry Mini Body Cream that I use with the spray. This is my Native Sugar Cookie deodorant. Native is literally the only deodorant brand I wear now because they are aluminum free, and they are the only deodorant that keeps me odor free all day. Like ever since I made the transition to aluminum free deodorants, I had a hard time finding the aluminum free deodorants that actually kept me odor free all day. Like literally not even 24 hours or, you know, 48 hours like some deodorants claim, but literally just from like the time I take a shower to the end of my work day, I had such a hard time finding aluminum free deodorants that kept me odor free. This brand is the first one that keeps me odor free for 24 hours, like literally 24 hours. So I would highly recommend Native. This is the only deodorant that I'm gonna stick with now since I'm aluminum free. And yeah, there you go. Okay, so I have a car, well, I use it in my car, but this is a room fragrance. This is from Goose Creek. This is their pumpkin sugar churro room spray. I told you guys I really like the Goose Creek room sprays because they are a continuous spray. So when you press it down, it will spray as long as you're pressing and holding the button down, and I like that. Bath and Body Works is just like you kind of spray it and that's it, but I like the fact that these are continuous. And I did use this one in my car. Pumpkin sugar churro, smelled just like churros, bacon. My kids really like this scent. It was like a spicy sweet bready scent, so it was really, really nice. I enjoyed that. I would repurchase. I haven't bought from Goose Creek in months. I really need to make a purchase from them because I haven't bought anything from them in months. This is my 1000 Wishes antibacterial hand spray. This was in my car. Some skincare products I have here. I'm literally about to show you guys my whole skincare routine because like these are all of the skincare products that I use. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift 10% pure glycolic acid. I use this every other night on my skin. Like after I've done my Dickinson's toner, this is what I use on my skin. Highly recommended. This was like my 3rd bottle of this, and I already have another one going in my bathroom. I repurchase this all the time. Swear by it. And then I have my CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. I use this on the days when I'm not using that one. So I also use this one every other day. And basically this is a retinol. Like when you hit 30, you're gonna want to start using a retinol, okay? Trust me, trust and believe me. So yeah, this is just a resurfacing serum. Like it keeps your skin clear, it keeps your skin healthy, no dark spots and things like that. So I swear by that. And then I have my niacinamide serum. This is what I use after using that glycolic from L'Oreal. So this is from Good Molecule. So cheap, so inexpensive, but works really, really well for the skin. If you guys don't know what niacinamide is, it keeps your skin from being textured, makes your pores smaller and all of that good stuff. So love this. And then I have my Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. So if you're not using glycolic acid on your skin, it's kind of the same thing. It resurfaces your skin. It helps with cell turnover and all of that. So it's really, really good for your skin, especially if you're like getting up there in age. So you might want to start using stuff like this. Love this. Swear by it. Good Molecules is such a good brand. Like I said, in another video, it reminds me of The Ordinary. It's very, very inexpensive, but really good quality. Okay, and so then the last like body care item that I have before we get into like my little pocket bags and wallflowers, I have my Burberry Brit perfume, my little small 1 ounce. So I did finally finish this. Love Burberry Brit, such a good perfume. It's a lime almond sugary scent, really, really nice, like perfect everyday signature scent worthy perfume. So then I have my pocket bags. So I went through a pineapple coconut. Pineapple is all the rage right now, so I love that one. I went through Mary Cookie. This is Llama Corns, Sweet Rainbows, Fizzy Fruit Pop. It was literally like a fizzy fruity scent. And then Pineapple Colada. I just finished this one. This one smells so good. Again, just a sweet pineapple scent. I have one car fragrance here, and it's none other than Strawberry Pound Cake. I bought so many Strawberry Pound Cake car refills, and I'm still going through them, okay? For my wallflower, we have a Strawberry Pound Cake. Loved it. Rainbow Confetti. I'm so sad. This was my last Rainbow Confetti. This was Rainbow Sprinkles, Vanilla Cake, Buttercream Frosting, Fruity Cereal Crunch. I told you guys, this smells like Fruity Pebbles. To me, it's so good. It's such a good scent. Like, really, really yummy. But I'm so sad. I'm so sad that it's all gone. I don't have any more of these, so I'm hoping that they bring something like this back for the summertime, or they bring this back, okay? Because I would 100% buy it. The candle and everything, I know that I need this scent in my life. Another Rainbow Confetti. The tag fell off, but this is another Rainbow Confetti. Cereal and Cartoons. This one was nice, but I didn't love it. It's toasted cinnamon, crunchy cereal, cold milk, sugar crystals. Kind of gave me like a Cinnamon Toast Crunch vibe, but it was like almost too much cinnamon and not enough sweet, not enough like milky creaminess. So I kind of enjoyed it, but not really. Another Strawberry Pound Cake, because we love her. She's perfect for spring and summer. And then I had Midnight Blue Citrus, which is actually in my kids' bathroom. So love that. We'll always repurchase that one for their bathroom because it smells amazing in there. And that is literally everything, you guys. Those are my entire empties. A lot of stuff. To me, it's only a little bit compared to like my other videos, but I guess to y'all this is a lot of stuff. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then you already know, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. You should definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Fragrance and Beauty Army, as well as that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.